So it's 11. Last thing, 11. Yeah, because different school, different date. That's the thing. How about you see when is your last paper? I think basically all must be in the second week. Yeah, last paper. I mean the last paper. I know 2 weeks later. When is the last paper? Okay. All right. No problem. Right. For the work today, we'll be covering this, our agenda. Okay, later I want everyone to do this, the review. Later we will do it. Okay, not now, Okay, this one is usual. Today we are covering lesson 41. You should be doing the worksheet 36, so far, I have been seeing people not doing their homework, only do when I do. Can you key in your answers now? I give you 5 minutes to key in. But the answers come from you, please, don't come from me. Okay? From here, we are doing the fourth revision already, so prep you. Okay. This one is the four operation. Sometimes you need to do some mental. Okay, I want you to do here is try not to use calculator. Okay. Okay. The reason is because we are trying to get to understand. The reason here we have two bracket. One is this bracket, the other one is this bracket. So we do inner bracket first. Okay, so let's start from here. We have 12 minus 3 times of this. That's 3 divided by 4. Okay, so the first one is this. So I have to do 12 minus 3 multiplied by minus 7 plus 3 divided by 4. Okay, so now we have this so-called multiply. So I go on. 12 minus 3 of negative, that means minus 3 minus 7. Okay, minus I'm going to highlight this. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 7 gives you positive of 21 plus 3 divided by 4. Okay. So then we have 20, 33, 32, okay, plus 3 divided by 4. Because this bracket 2 first. Now, what is the other step is you have to do this. You get down to 32, you have to do 3 divided by 4. Why? Because divide comes first. All right. So 32 plus 3 out of 4. So that you get 32, 3/4, or 32.75. That's okay. All right. The question B. Question B probably is getting longer. So yeah, I'll write it here. B will be 85 divided by minus 17. You have a plus, you have a multiply, minus this. So the very first thing is we need to identify the division. Where's the division? Here. Let me put the highlight. We must do this division first. Okay. 85 divided by 17, but it's negative. So be very careful. This one itself will give you something called what? Negative 5. So I'm going to write this down. Okay, minus 2, minus, and this. So this, now I have to do the multiply first. So where does the multiply? Where's my green color? Sorry. I do this first, right? So now I want to do this multiply. And you see, I can do 2 at a time because I have a multiply at the back. Okay. So I have equal minus 5 minus 40. Okay. then this is minus 21. Okay, so what I have here is minus 5, minus 40, minus 21, and give me minus 66 for this answer. Okay, so that is for part B. Can? Now we do part C. Okay, part C, we have something extra. We call them the power. Okay, we have a power here. We have a multiply, plus, I got a bracket. I got this bracket. Now, this is a little bit more of operation. So first thing first, what can you do? I want to get rid of the power first. For me, I want to get rid of power. Okay, power will be this power first and this power first. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I have 6 minus 2. Okay, then I write here. 6 minus 2 is 4 to the power of 3, right? So what is 4 to the power of 3? I can straight away write 64 if you can. Okay, if cannot, it's okay. Now, I also can do this bracket first. Okay, I also want to do this bracket because this bracket must come first. Then I want to do this. Minus 8 minus this. I have minus 18. Divide by. Now, this thing is minus 1 equal minus 2. So you have bracket power of 2 is negative 2 multiplied by negative 2, which will give you a positive 4. Okay? So from here, what you can do is do multiply first. So what is 64 multiplied by 3? That will give you 192 minus 18 divided by 4. Why minus 18? Any idea? Because what we have. Okay, now wait. Now we have to do this first. Okay, then I very carefully wanted to highlight this. Is equals to minus 18. So then after that, I have 192. Okay. I have 192 minus 18 out of 4. So if I have 18 out of 4, it will be 9 out of 2. Okay. I do my side working, 9 out of 2. So 18 out of 4, 9 out of 2, 2. So then I can even 4.5. Okay, so minus 4.5. So I get down to 192 minus 4 first. I get 188, then 187.5. Okay, is it complicated? Yes, it is, because the steps get small. What? Get small. Okay. Sorry, Andrew 33. Which one is 32? Not 32, 33. Okay. Andrew, is everything okay? Oh, 33. Yes, I got what you mean. Thank you. Yeah, so nice of you. 33. Yeah, but I write 33 and 3/4. Yeah, thank you for that. This one. Thank you, Andrew. It's Andre or Andrea? Andre, right? Okay, did I pronounce Andre correctly? Or Andrea? It should be Andrea. Okay. Okay, don't understand B. Which part don't understand? Can you help me with the identifying which way? Can you help me to type out here, or you unmute yourself to ask question? 85 divided by negative 17. Okay, I do a side working here. Now, 85 divided by 17, is it a negative sign? Right. So if you reduce them to simplest form, this is divided by 17, this is divided by 17 equals to 5. So 5 over 1 equals to 5. Minus 5, sorry. So that's where your minus 5 comes from, where I want to highlight in yellow here, okay? Perhaps I highlight in yellow, with minus 5 from here. Okay, this is the second one. This one. Okay. Yeah, it probably came from anywhere. So don't take for granted will it be one or paper one. Usually paper one, this kind of question. But this is meant for to understand the brackets and the powers, or the conceptual lah. Okay, I hope the color helps. Is it complicated? The reason I use color is to identify their, how I derive at it, okay? Any feedback, you can always let me know. Okay. Okay. Question 2, let's try. Okay, question 2a says that this is 5 open bracket 7ab square. Now, what is the power thing here for is the squares, right? Square. What do you mean by the word square? Square means with that value, you multiply by the same value. Therefore, the power of square belong to who? Belong to the whole bracket. And there are 3 things inside. You have a 7, you have a A, you have a B. So you have 7AB multiplied by 7AB. So this whole thing is a square. So I'm going to highlight this. So 7AB is a square. And that's where I want to solve for this. So 5, 7. I'm going to write down double lah. If you all can do a shortcut method, go ahead, okay? So technically, if you come to see this is 5 times 7 times 7, which will give you 245 A and B. Is A and B correct? Anyone? I want to have this thing called quiz over here. All right, can you help me with this question? This is 245 A, B. Wait. Okay, my question to you is true or false, okay? Then you have to pick your choice. All right. And I should have all the responses from everyone. Do you see the thing now? My question, single choice is true or false? False, some say false, some say true. Okay, those who say true, okay, so those who say false, who is the one who say false? So far, I have only 8 responses. I should have 2 more. Besides Hao Lun, because Hao Lun just entered. Hello, Hao Lun. Is everything okay, Hao Lun? Okay, 9. Very good. Now, this one, there are 4 students who say correct. Hao Lun, welcome. Is everything okay? All right. We are now at question number 2. And then there is a question here. On the, will you be able to see my worksheet 36 or not? Besides seeing the question. Okay, can. So just now we were talking about 2a. I want to expand the square. So I get 245 AB. Can anyone tell me, is this right or wrong? So I set up this question poll. and say 2245A B. Is the answer true or